Student, let me see the multiplication by two-digit number. I take here 2639 multiplied by 68. We put here the sign multiplication, and now let me start this. Start from the ones. 9 8s are 72. 8 is here. 7 is carry forward. 8 3s are 24 plus 7, 24 plus 7, 31, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 3, 51, 5 is here, 8 6 are 16 plus 5, 21, yes. This way. Now we start from 6 tens place, we put the 0 here. 9 6 are 54. 4. So 5 is carry forward. Now 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 23. 3 is here. 2 will carry forward. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 38. 8 is here. 3 is carry forward. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15. Now we add this product. Now see what the final answer 2. 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 8, 9, 2 plus 5, 7 and 1. So when we multiply this number by two digits 68, we find the product as 1,79,452. Now let me see multiplication by three digit number. Student, now let me see multiply by three digit number. This is the example that I take 4835 multiply by 594. So let me start. Nothing. Whatever you done the earlier, that the multiply by 2. That's way only we start from the ones place. Now just look at carefully. 4 multiply by 5. 4 5s are 20. 2 is carry forward. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 1 is carry forward. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33, 3 is carry forward here. Now 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. Now we start the multiplication from the tens place, so we will put here 0, 9 5s are 45, 5 will come here, 4 is carry forward, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 4, 27 plus 4, 31, 1, 3 is carry forward, 9, 8s are 72, 72 plus 3, 75, 5 is here, 7 is carry forward to 1000 place, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 7, 36 plus 7, 43, 43 we will write here. Now I wrote this, otherwise you will be confused. Yes. Now we start the multiplication from the 100 place. So we will put here 20. Yes, 20. And now we start from multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 is carry forward. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 1 is carry forward, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 1, 41, 4 is carry forward, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4, 24. Now we add all this product. We add this, start from ones, 0 0. 4 plus 5 9, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 2 is carry forward, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 4, 8, and here 2. Now we put the comma, yes. Now we find the product value 4835 multiplied by 594. We find the product as 28,71,990. Now let me see the one more example. 2496 multiplied by 501. Here start from one place, that 6, 9, 4, 2. Now what? Here with tens place, so we will put here 0 and 0 multiplied by any number. The product will be 0. So for the 6, 9, 4, 0 multiplied by 2, so it will also come 0. Now start from this 100 value, so we put 2 more 0 here, 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30, 0, we will come here, 9 5 are 45, 45 plus 3, 48, 8 is here, 4 is carry forward, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 4 is and 2 is carry forward, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Now let me add this, 6 plus 0 0 6, 9, 4, 8 plus 2 10, 0, 1 is carry forward, 5, 2, 1. So we will write here the product is, when we multiply 2496 multiplied by 501, then we found the product is 12,50,496. Whenever given this multiplication by the 0, in that place you have to give the value of value 0. We find the product as 0. So you be careful while writing the zeros. Don't be mistake to put on the proper place. So first we put the 0 here because this 0 is on the tens place. So we first put the 0 here and these zeros for the 4 digit. That 0 multiplied by 6. So put the here 0. This is 0 for 6, 9, 4, 2. So don't make it mistake, and finally we add all the products and final answer is this. So student, now let me move to division. That have you done the division by 1 digit, and today we will do the 2 digit, 3 digit. Student, I take here the simple one division example is to recall your this 1 digit division. When we division by 1 digit, that 4 to 8 divided by 4. So let me start. 4 ones are 4. 0, take 2, but 2 number is less than divisor, so we will put here 0, then take first you show that 0, then 2, then we will take here 8, now 80, 4 8s are 28, so we will put here 0. Now we find this 108, it is as a quotient. This is the answer our, and remainder is 0 here. And this is divisor, we said as divisor, and this is divider. Yes, remainder 0. Quotient we get the answer as 108. We divide by, that is called divisor, and dividend is 428. Now let me start division by 2 digit. Student, here the example 1187 divided by 25. Division by 2-digit number. So we will write here 1187 and divisor is 25. Now you all know that when we take here that we start from the bigger place. Yes, that is the from the thousand place. So thousand place value is 1. So let me start 25 divisor is 2 digit and we take here the 1. So it is a less number. So we will put here, we show here the 0 and put the 0. Then take 1. Then we take 1 here. Now 11. 11 also is a less number than divisor. So what we will do here, again put 0, 11. Now we take 8. Yes, so it is now able to divide by 25 because 180. So how 25 in 25 table? 25 4s are 100. So it is able to divide. So we 25 4s are 100. Now we subtract 18. Yes. Now we take 7. Yes. So 25. Now we subtract here 7 minus 5. 2. 8 minus 7. 1 0. So this is our quotient 47. This is the remainder and divisor 25 and divider 1187. So our answer is, we will write here 47. Yes. If they ask in the question that write down the remainder also, then after you also mention this way, quotient is 47 and remainder is 12. So you can write this way your final answer. Now let me take one more example.